warning, hear the cry. Babylon building kingdom on lies, but truth can't dead. Midnight coming. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye. Babylon burning at midnight hour. Fire reveal them hidden power. Wolf in a suit still hunting the poor, but just see everything behind closed door. Babylon burning through greed and lies. Smoke of corruption fill up the skies. People awake now, truth can't hide. Revolution roaring like thunder tonight. Politicians smile with a serpent tongue. Promise the youth while the rich man strong. Food price rise but the table stay bare. Mother still crying in a cold night here. Concrete kingdom built on fear. Secret handshake disappear. Gold chain glitter but the soul turn black. One day judgment of fi strike them back. Them sell out the nation for silver and fame. Then hide behind religion and government name. But every wicked seed where corruption sow, Jah wine a go reap what Babylon grow. Me walk through the alley where the sufferers pray. Children draw freedom in chalk every day. Old man who whisper near marketplace fire. Truth still alive though the system conspire. Police boots echo down zinc fence lane. Young blood spill like Kingston rain. Babylon spy through television screen, feeding propaganda to control human dream. But wisdom no live inside parliament wall. Truth born humble where the poor man crawl. Rasta man reading Revelation slow, watching how the final signs unfold. Babylon burning at midnight hour. Fire reveal them hidden power. Wolf in a suit still hunting the poor, but I see everything behind closed door. Babylon falling brick by brick. Kingdom of greed collapse real quick. People rise with the lion roar. Chains can't hold down the truth no more. Like glow, prophet words from long ago. Every empire built on hate and pride eventually drown in a history tide. Youth man searching for spiritual bread. Too much empty speech from leaders instead. Babylon poison the ear and style, then tax the poor fi survive them tile. Still the elders beat Naya Bingi drum, calling Mount Zion kingdom come. From trench town yard to African shore, freedom spirit knocking on every door. Midnight train rolling through the land, justice coming by Jah right hand. Corrupt crowns tremble in a palace room. Truth walk silent carrying judgment doom. Me no fear them microphone lies, nor the cameras watching from the sky's eyes. Because conscience stronger than gold and gun, and righteousness brighter than the morning sun. So raise the banner high tonight, stand for the truth and defend what right. When Babylon ashes scatter with the wind, roots reggae message still echo again.